What is going on, everybody? It's going Xavier here today to share with you guys a little bit of love, some good energy, and some fun. So I know I normally post videos revolving around personal evolution and growth. We'll talk about lucid dreaming, meditation. We'll talk about the topics that need to be addressed that is in relation to those deeper feelings that we have. But on Fridays, I want to keep it light. I want to have a little fun with you guys on Fridays. So I'm a very creative individual, and I'm also a very goofy individual. So one thing that I love to do is I love to express that goof. If you knew me in real life, you'd be like, this dude talks about these subjects that are so deep, and I'm goofy in real life, I'm, in person. So I'm gonna share with you guys that aspect of me. I really want to be transparent to this channel and let you guys see all that, is coursing in me. And I love the freestyle, so you might catch a little freestyle action on Friday. So today I'm going to share with you guys a little bit of a skit that I created. It happened to me all the time growing up with me and my pops, man. It's hilarious to me, and I'm going to share that with you guys today in this video, as well as a couple other videos that I will be posting on Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because I'm creating content that is going to be exclusive to Instagram. I know a lot of my videos are around like 8 minutes long, right? You know how they're like 8 minutes long? Well, Instagram videos are gonna be condensed down into 1 minute of passion, of energy and excitement and truth. 1 minute bombs. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram so that you won't be missing out on that content. And every once in a while, I might share with one of them or two of them on here with you guys. But I think that's it. Is there anything else? I don't think there's anything else. So I hope your day goes wonderfully. Enjoy your day. Go out there and make your dreams happen and smile today. Make sure you smile today. Give some love today. Enjoy yourself and enjoy. Think it's about time for me to clean my room up. Yeah. All right. Yeah. And clean this room up. It's a mess. Damn kids, I don't know what their problem is keeping the room clean. I was already doing it. I was already doing it. Maybe we should take it slow. Maybe we should take it slow. Maybe we should take it slow. Ooh, maybe we should take it slow. This ain't a movie, no fairy tale conclusion, y'all. It gets more confusing every day. Ooh. Sometimes it's heaven sent, then we head back to hell again. We kiss, then we make up on the way. So this week, guys, I'm gonna reveal to you all the fact that I am very musical. And I'm gonna reveal different lessons and ideas and thoughts and beliefs I have through my music, and I need your support. I need y'all here liking these videos, commenting, to give me feedback and doing all that good stuff so we can kill and build. Feeling so good, just watch the way I do it with these skills that I did for a year or two, or maybe I just stare at you until you feel the fact that I'ma blare the truth. Stop overthinking. Listen to the way and sink into your being. I got a lot of people that message me, right? People saying, how do you find your purpose in life? How do you find your purpose? How do I find my calling? How do I find the thing that I'm good at? How can I find the thing that I'm passionate about? Listen to excitement. Listen to that excited feeling. What can you get excited for? Your emotions and that energy, excitement is an indication from God sent to you beforehand that lets you know that that is the path to take. Because when you're excited, you can summon up energy and passion so that you're good at something, so that you can move things around energetically and physically. When you're excited and you're passionate, you get a power that you never had before. If you want to find your purpose, look around in your life, look around in your mind, look around in your emotions, and what do you see that excites you? Put your finger on that and give it a shot. I'm a natural wordsmith, nouns and verbs be disturbing me up in my sleep, got me tossing and turning. Let me grab my phone so these bars get recorded. Frequencies so strong, no they can't be ignored. And these energies are real, like really, really real. This is not me, Jesus has the wheel. I think I'm off my rocker cause I'm lost up in the sauce. Yet I've been walking on some water, so I must be on to something. It's like a lucid dream, the way I phase onto the scene. From thoughts to words to deeds, and deeds give birth to things. You ought to learn to work with ease if you gon' work with me, please. I'm about that dream in my system. I'm about giving assistance. I'm about feeling the spirit and just straight up listening. Why the people always fighting, igniting all the things that's wrong instead of right, when we need to be following that. Following you, following love, following truth, following music, not the illusions. What do you feel? Why are you losing? You are a winner. I eat my problems for dinner. I'm gonna do this, no, I am no longer a beginner. I've been doing this for years, in secrecy, bring niggas to tears. When I speak on the mystical topics, on my goodness be dropping, all of the bar, we gonna bar. What are we doing when me and entire team made a bar? Lot of the bar to the bar, but don't bar to the bar to the bar. Lot of the bar to the bar to the front, don't bar to the bar to the bar. Don't need no words, I don't need them. Just vibe to the melody and see it breaching my secret. Then when I begin to walk on home, and I don't Rascat with a back, with a back, with a back, with a back like that. It's into the bit of tea, but it's into two, but I like the boom, 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 boom. Lost until I find it, lost until I find it, lost until I find it, lost until I'm grinding, lost until rewinding time to all this moment. Nigga be homing, nigga be moving, nigga be moving. Oof.